Good morning, my little kittens. So lately I watched a ton of makeup videos from those periods of 1930s and 1940s and even 1960s, and today I chose 1960s because that was my favorite period for those makeups. And today we are gonna recreate a makeup tutorial made in 1960s. So first today we're gonna use a little bit of Vaseline because we will need to hydrate our face. And now I will blend this all with my fingers and I will press it into the skin very good. Now we're gonna apply some foundation. I will put some dots of foundation all over my face using my precious fingers. Then I will blend my foundation with my fingers, working it from the center of the face to my hairline. Foundation is the base of a makeup. I'm keeping my face powder in this cute box because it's protected there from humidity. The face powder is used to make the makeup last a lot longer and also to mattify it if you have very oily skin. I apply this with a face sponge, or you can apply it with a cotton swab by dabbing it on the skin and then by pressing it to the skin. I'm applying a little bit of Vaseline on my eyebrows to hydrate them, and it makes them look more put together. It's important to put only as much as you need. I will apply a brown eyeshadow and I will blend it with my fingers to create a natural eyeshadow to my eyes. After that, I will make a line above my eyeshadow to create an enlarging effect to my eyes. Also, I will create some lines under my eyes to make my eyelashes appear much more longer. Mascara will be applied very gently with a thin coat to not make the eyelashes look too heavy. This will make your makeup look much more natural. The blush will be applied with a cotton swab again, and it will be very gently diffused on the skin. This is also good for defining the face shape, and it will give to the face a very beautiful color. Also, your blush can make you look much more younger if you apply it correctly and if you find the perfect shade for you. The lip gloss will be applied on the lips to make them look shinier and to give them a natural, healthy look. So please let me know in the comments if you like this period or not, because I'm so obsessed with that period, and honestly I'm sometimes asking myself why I wasn't born in that period. I don't know. I would love to be there, like, I don't know, with those elegant dresses and these makeups and everything. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we are looking fabulous, and we also smell nice. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going back in the 60s.